Did you know that for PSLE Math questions, in total, there are about 8 mark questions just on geometry? Assalamualaikum parents and students of Primary 5. I'm Madam Ida from YMS EduTech Learning Hub. In this video series, let us revise together Math Paper 2 questions. For this video, I'll be covering on geometry. Did you know that for PSLE Math questions, in total, there are about 8 mark questions just on geometry? Let me share with you 2 simple tips in order for you to score well or to score full marks for geometry. And the 2 simple tips are: familiarize yourself with properties of angles, and when you solve the question, annotate on the diagram. Let's take a look at a question. Let's read the question together. In the figure below, ACDE is a parallelogram. And ABDE is a trapezium. Find angle AED and find angle FDB. First, we need to annotate on the diagram itself. The first clue that is given to us, ACDE is a parallelogram. If it's a parallelogram, what is special about this shape? It has 2 pairs of parallel lines. Annotate a pair of parallel lines and another over here. A parallelogram has 2 pairs of parallel lines. Next, what else do we know about parallelogram? We know that opposite angles are equal. Hence, if angle ACD is 66 degrees, which means angle AED is also 66 degrees. We're going to annotate on the diagram. This is what I mean by annotation. Next, ABDE is a trapezium. What is special about trapezium? A trapezium has a pair of parallel lines, which we have annotated here, whereby AB is parallel to ED. Now let's solve part A. Find angle AED, which we have already annotated earlier. For part A, very simple, angle AED is equals to 66 degrees. Part B, find angle FDB. Angle FDB is this one here, which I'm going to outline in pink. This is FDB. Angle FDB is in the trapezium of ABDE. What do we see here? We see angles in between 2 parallel lines. What is the property of angles between 2 parallel lines? That is, the sum of angles between 2 parallel lines make 180 degrees. Therefore, we can first find angle BDE. Angle BDE is this one here. Let's find out what is angle BDE. Angle BDE is equals to 180 degrees minus 114. And that gives us 66 degrees. Annotate on your diagram, this is 66 degrees. Next, we can find what is angle FDE, this small angle here, which is within triangle EFD. The next property that students need to know is the sum of angles in a triangle, which makes up 180 degrees. Let's find out what is angle FDE first. Angle FDE is equals to 180 minus 99 minus 66. Key this into your calculator. You should get 15 degrees. So now we can find what is angle FDB. angle FDB is equals to 66 degrees minus 15. And that gives us 51 degrees. Recap, how did I solve geometry question? First, read the question carefully, underline keywords, box out the question. Next, annotate on the diagram so that our mind can easily see what kind of properties we can use in order for us to solve the question. Now let's take a look at the second question. XYZ is a piece of triangular paper. XY is equals to YZ is equals to XZ. The triangular piece of paper is folded as shown below. Find angle A. This is a commonly asked question whereby students are given a shape of either a triangle, a square or rectangle, and the paper is being folded. What is the trick to do this kind of question? Student, you need to use your imagination to unfold the folded paper and identify what are the angles that you can annotate. So first, let's use the clue of XY is equals to YZ equals to XZ and annotate on our diagram. XY is equals to YZ is equals to XZ. We can easily see here that triangle XYZ is an equilateral triangle whereby all sides are equal. Hence, annotate 60 degrees all around. Next, focus our attention on the other diagram, and we're going to annotate 60 degrees as well on this diagram. 60 degrees is here, here, and here. Annotate fully so that you can easily see what are the properties that you can use. Next, we're going to imagine unfolding this paper. Hence, if this is 77 degrees, which means the angle beside it is also 77 degrees. What else can I annotate? If I unfold the paper, this angle here, which I'm going to outline in pink, will be equals to this angle here. In order for us to solve angle A, we have to use the property of angles on a straight line. Hence, let's find out this angle first, using the property of triangle, whereby sum of angles on a triangle make up 180 degrees. So let's do that first. Our first step, 180 minus 77 minus 60, and that will be 180 minus 137. That gives us 43 degrees. So annotate on your diagram 43 degrees, and this angle is also 43 degrees. Hence, we can easily find angle A using the property of a straight line. Angle A is equals to 180 minus 43 minus 43. That gives us 180 minus 86. Key this into the calculator. We should get 94 degrees. I hope you find this video useful in helping you to solve geometry questions. Recap, in order for us to solve geometry questions, first familiarize yourself with properties of angles, and secondly, annotate on the diagram. Our 2025 class registration is now open. To register for a free trial lesson, simply visit ymsedutech.com or link in bio. Inshallah, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!